Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Do subscribe guys. Many of you have not subscribed. Click on the icon here, Simply Cook, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. If you like the video, share it.